how to say I wonder in Tagalog. Today, let's learn the word kaya. On my other video, I have covered the word kaya, which means can, like kaya kong magluto, I can cook. So that's kaya. But today, we're talking about kaya. Ang ingay ng aso. Kaya. Notice guys, this got an accent. Kaya. Unfortunately, in writing, you can't see the accent, right? You can't see this tilde. But in spoken Tagalog, this is kaya and this is kaya. Kaya has no exact English word translation. But we use this word to express a lot of things. Number one, I wonder what to cook for dinner tonight. I wonder which one I should choose. I wonder if he's thinking of me too. How do we say these sentences in Tagalog? What is what? Ano, correct. So, I wonder what in Tagalog is ano kaya. Ano kaya? I wonder what to eat. Ano kaya ang kakainin ko? So here we're using the future tense kakain plus in at the end, kakainin, because that's an object-focused sentence. The focus is on the food that you're going to eat. So, ano kaya ang kakainin ko? If you want to use the infinitive, to eat in Tagalog is kainin. We remove the first syllable. If it's kakainin for future tense, the infinitive will just be kainin. Normally, when we use the infinitive, it has the additional adjective in front. The most common phrase is, ano kayang masarap kainin? Ano kayang masarap kainin? For example, if maraming pagkain dito, let's say there are a lot of food here, and then you say, ano kayang masarap kainin? Ano kayang masarap kainin? I wonder what to buy. Ano kayang bibilhin ko? Ano kayang bibilhin ko? Or, ano kayang magandang bilhin? Ano kayang magandang bilhin? I wonder what item is good to buy. So that's I wonder what? Ano kaya? I wonder who? What is who in Tagalog? Sino? I wonder who? Sino kaya? Sino kaya? You have two suitors. And then you're thinking, sino kayang pipiliin ko? Pili is choose. Sino kayang pipiliin ko? It's like, I wonder who should I choose? I wonder when. What is when in Tagalog? Kailan. You're correct. Tama. Kailan. I wonder when. Kailan kaya? Kailan kaya? I wonder when he would come. Kailan kaya siya darating? Kailan kaya siya darating? Kanina, earlier, I said, sino kaya? Sino kaya? I wonder who. And that's when you're choosing between two people. Now, what if you want to buy a new phone and you can't decide between, let's say, iPhone or an Android phone? How do we say, I wonder which one to choose? What is which in Tagalog? Alin. Alin. I wonder which? Alin kaya? So we got two phones right here. Alin kaya? Alin kaya ang bibilhin ko? I wonder which one to buy. So you bought the phone and you don't know how to navigate this yet. And you're wondering how to do face recognition lock on your phone. How to say, I wonder how. What is how in Tagalog? Paano. Paano. I wonder how. Paano kaya? Paano kaya? Casual conversation, we just shorten the word paano to paano. Paano kaya? Paano kaya to? Paano kaya ito? I wonder how to do this. Paano kaya ito gawin? He's been quiet. I wonder why. Why in Tagalog? Bakit? I wonder why. Bakit kaya? He just left. I don't know why. Bakit kaya siya umalis? I wonder why he left. Nang walang paalam. I wonder why he left without saying goodbye. Iniisip din kaya niya ako? I wonder if he's thinking of me too. I wonder why he's quiet. Bakit kaya tahimik siya? Tahimik, quiet. I wonder why she's sad. Bakit kaya malungkot siya? Lungkot, sadness. With the prefix ma in front, malungkot. This becomes an adjective which means sad. Bakit kaya malungkot siya? I wonder why she's sad or he's sad. Bakit kaya masaya siya? I wonder why she's happy or he's happy. Bakit kaya sobrang saya niya? I wonder why he or she is so happy today. Ano kayang meron? Ano kayang meron? I wonder what's going on. May jowa na daw siya. Kahapon lang. Oh, she already got a boyfriend just yesterday. Sino kaya? Sino kaya dun? I wonder who? Sino kaya ang pinili niya? I wonder who she chose. I wonder who she has chosen. Bakit kaya yun ang pinili niya? I wonder why she has chosen this one. Mas pogi yung isa. When the other guy is actually more handsome. 10 years na silang engaged. Kailan kaya sila magpapakasal? Kasal, wedding, or marriage? 10 taon na silang engaged. Kailan kaya sila magpapakasal? I wonder when they will get married. Magpapakasal na daw sila. Saan kaya? Saan kaya? I wonder where. Saan kaya? Dito? Here? O doon? Dito? Sa Pilipinas? Here in the Philippines? O doon? There? Doon sa ibang bansa? There in other country? Bakit kaya mas gusto nila tumira dito sa Pilipinas? I wonder why they wanna live here in the Philippines. Gutom na ako. Ano kayang masarap kainin sa hapunan? Ano kayang masarap kainin mamaya sa hapunan? I wonder what to eat later at dinner. Tamad ako. I'm lazy. Ano kaya? Magluluto ng pagkain o mag-order na lang? Or I will just order. Tamad talaga ako. So, mag-order na lang. Ano kayang o-orderin ko? Ano kayang o-orderin ko? I wonder what to order. Tamad talaga ako magluto ngayong araw. I'm really lazy to cook today. Sino kayang pwedeng magluto? Sino kayang pwedeng magluto? I wonder who's available to cook or who can cook tonight. Sana matapos na ang meeting ni ate para magluto na siya. Anong oras kaya matatapos ang meeting niya? I wonder what time her meeting will finish. Bakit kaya ang tagal ng meeting niya? I wonder why her meeting is so long. Ako na nga lang ang magluluto. I'll just be the one to cook. Pero, paano kaya? I wonder how. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ako marunong magluto. Mag-order na lang kaya. Saan kaya ako mag-order? Sa Jollibee? Pero, I don't know how to do this online. Paano kaya? I wonder how to do this. Ano kayang gusto ko? Ano kayang gusto kong kainin? Burger o chicken joy? Review. Ano kaya? I wonder what? Sino kaya? I wonder who. Saan kaya? I wonder where. Kailan kaya? I wonder when. Bakit kaya? I wonder why. Alin kaya? I wonder which. Paano kaya? I wonder how. There you have it, how to say I wonder in Tagalog. Kaya. If you're looking for a private tutor to learn Tagalog or improve your Tagalog, the link for my booking page is on the description below. This is Dara from Tutor of Manila. Follow me for more.